Welcome, my friends, and thank you so much for joining me at Simply Merci's Skincare. Well, technically, this video is more about makeup. Today, I'll share the results of having my makeup applied professionally for a photo shoot, and then I'll share the results of doing my own makeup and taking a few photos myself. But before we get started, please do me a favor and hit that like, share, subscribe button. It really would help me out. Now let's get right to it. Okay, so today I have my photo shoot and I'm getting makeup done. I never got zits. So why do I have a zit on my face? I get the occasional one here and there. Today I have a photo shoot. And I have a zit. Why? Now, I wanted a smoky eye, but honestly, I didn't expect it to be quite so dramatic. Getting your makeup done professionally is great, and there's something magical about experimenting on your own. You get to reinvent yourself every time you pick up a brush. Which vibe are you loving more? It's just going to take practice, practice, and more practice. For now, skincare is where I'm most comfortable. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.